So lots of people are asking me every single day, tell me, Tim, how do you make $10,000 per month as a newbie with affiliate marketing? Now you see there is many income streams online you can utilize, you can leverage, you can make money with. Of course, there is many ways. But why I love the affiliate marketing model is because you can pick a product and you can change it tomorrow. This means that if you don't like it, or if you don't like the results that you're seeing, you can basically just swipe the offer for another better offer and make money with. You don't have to create your own product, you don't have to build the websites, you don't have to even in some cases write the ads. So what is really important is, in this video I will share with you the quickest and the fastest way to make $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Now the first thing you have to keep in mind is that you need to have a really quality offer. It's really important. You cannot have a crappy offer and be making $10,000 per month every single month. It's really important. Why? Because the customers will be happy with the outcome, they will like the offer, and of course you as an affiliate, you earn huge commissions. So the first thing is pick a niche where the people are already buying and willing to spend money in. So for example, if you're in a hobby niche like woodworking, of course people are spending money, but ask yourself, are they spending that money every single day? Is it really like a huge problem, like for example make money online, or weight loss, or getting their relationship fixed? You see, you have to be thinking about that as well. What is important to your customer? So I would pick a niche, for example, let's say make money online, and if I'm a newbie, I would choose an offer that is paying a huge commissions. You can make money with low ticket offers as well, and my students are making money every single day with these offers. But if you want the quickest way to make huge commissions, high ticket commissions, then I would suggest you to go with the big ticket affiliate offers. For example, on CLICKBANK, there are also other networks, but on CLICKBANK you have educational and e-marketing, online marketing offers where you can make $500 upwards commissions per sale. So in that case, it means you need around 20 sales per month to be making $10,000 every single month. So how you can do that? Of course you can run ads, and I'm also showing my students how to utilize Google Ads, Google ad campaign, to make this kind of money selling higher ticket products. Because you have to understand there are different audiences, and depend on what audience you are targeting, with what kind of message you are putting in front of their faces, in front of their eyeballs. It depends also what kind of results you're going to get. Because I hear all the time people saying, you need more leads, you need more leads. Yes, people are getting traffic, but will that traffic, will that leads really convert? Because I can get 100 leads today, but will it really make me money? Probably not. Because if it's not the right lead, and if I don't have the right conversion system to convert them after I get them to my page, then it doesn't mean anything. It's nothing to me, right? It's zero. So it really, you have to understand, you need that. You need the right quality offer, which is paying higher ticket commissions, and at the end this will convert to sales. So how you can make sales once you pick the offer? You see, I'm telling people, you can choose the buyers clicks, the buyers traffic. There are buyers list out there that you can get the access for some amount of money, for example $500 or $1,000 for let's say 300 to 500 clicks, and then you can send that quality traffic to your affiliate link. So basically you can skip the website building, the landing page building, and you can send the traffic your way to your affiliate link, and tomorrow or the next week you can already start earning huge commissions. Why? Because if you understand that it's all about having the right offer, the right quality traffic, then of course you're gonna make more money, right? You won't be like another affiliates who are wasting their time and money on some crappy landing pages and some solo ads that are not converting. You have to understand it's all about the right quality traffic. So if you have one offer that is paying $500 commissions, and then you have the right traffic source that is already converting, then of course you're going to make more money. Because if you have the audience that is offer aware, then that audience of people will purchase the product. You will have higher chance of people buying the product, right? So it's really important to understand that. Now, if you're watching this video right now and you're asking yourself, how can I achieve results? How can I get my first $100? How can I get my first $1,000 in a day with affiliate marketing? then connect with me. Below this video, you'll have social media links to my Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, where we can connect personally, one-on-one, and you can get the access to the buyer's traffic. So basically, you can get the access to buyers' clicks, to traffic, and what you have to do is, I will give you the access to some links, where you can then basically just copy and paste the method that I'm using, and I will send traffic your way. So the agency will send the traffic to your affiliate links, and then once you get the traffic, those traffic can then convert to sales, and you as an affiliate, you can earn $500 or $600 per sale as an affiliate on CLICKBANK. So if you have any more questions, please let me know below this video, and please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips going further. Thank you for watching.